Good morning, class 10th. How you all are? Hope you all are well. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter from the book First Flight. Chapter 9, Madam Rides the Bus, written by Valli Kannan. So, before starting the chapter, let me introduce Madam. Okay, this Madam is a 8-year-old Valli, है ना, who have a strong longing desire to just have a travel in the bus. You might be amazed that this girl have not a ride in the bus, but actually we are talking about many years back. On those days, even the bus was not an easily accessible means of transport. So, this madam had a strong desire that she once wanted to sit and have a journey in the bus. Whether her desire was fulfilled, what happened, how it was, how she managed, all is this story. So now we will start reading this chapter. Page number 117. There was a girl named Vallimai who was called Valli for short. She was 8 years old and very curious about the things. Her favorite pastime was standing in front of doorway of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. There were no playmates in her street of her own age, and this was about all she had to do. So in this paragraph we get an introduction about our main character of the story, Madam, है ना? She is Valli, 8-year-old girl. If I ask that what is your pastime, you might say watching TV, playing cricket, using gadgets, playing some online games, and so many other things. But Valli is very different from everyone, and her favorite pastime is to stand in the door, watching what all things is happening in the outdoors. The main reason that most of the time she used to be in the door is that in her street she don't have any companion of her age. Means उसकी एज का उसके घर के आसपास कोई नहीं था जिसके साथ वो टाइम स्पेंड कर सके, खेल सके. तो मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम वो क्या करती थी, शी यूज्ड टू स्टैंड इन द डोर एंड एंजॉयज द आउटडोर्स. But for Valli, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of elaborate games other children played. Watching the street gave her many new, unusual experience. So, what a narrator is saying that she never felt bored of standing alone in the doorway and watching what is happening outdoor, but it used to give her some strange feeling. She enjoyed and she had a different experience in enjoying and watching what are the things that going on the outdoors. The most fascinating means most attracting thing of all was a bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour, once going to town, once coming back. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Valli. As we had discussing that about the Valli's favorite time pass, it was standing on the door and she used to enjoy and see what is things going there. But among this, the most joy giving thing was the coming and going of the bus. Means her house was in the near a main road, so normally bus used to come and go, you know. And whenever this bus used to come, she observed the different passengers. They were coming out of the bus, the passengers who were boarding the bus, and even watching this passenger with the strange things on their shoulder, the strange things on their phone, in their hand, it gave immense pleasure to Valli. Day after day, she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. She wanted to ride on that bus, even it was just once. So as Valli, she every day she watched the bus two times, one coming, the other going. So in this way, a strong desire born in her, and it was that at least once she wanted to board in the bus. She wanted to enjoy the journey by bus. Anyhow, it is for the one time, but she wanted to have it. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was overwhelming desire. Valli would stare wistfully means longingly, at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Their faces would kindle in her longing dreams and hopes. If one of our friends happened to ride the bus and try to describe the sight of the town to her, Valli would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. So here you can see that means whenever someone used to talk about the bus journey, Valli used to pay attention towards that because she have a very strong desire to board in a bus and move, and in the same way you can see that whenever some of Valli's friend they used to say that they had a ride in a bus, she became very jealous है ना, and वो proud करके उनको चिढ़ाते थे. So from this you can understand that little girl Valli, how much fascinated she is about a journey in bus. Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully to the conversation between neighbors and people who regularly use the bus, and she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. This way she picked up various small details about the bus journey. So as we had seen that Valli, she wanted to have a ride in a bus. She decided to have a ride in the bus. So अब उसको क्या करना था? She needed to collect the information. So for this reason, she used to listen carefully to what the neighbors, what her friends were talking about the bus. And in this way, this 8 years old girl had accumulated few information about how to continue or how to carry on a bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. The fare was 30 paisa one way, which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Valli, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid 30 paisa, she could return home on the same bus. This meant that she could take 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. As we had discussed कि वल्ली जो है वो बहुत attentively अपने neighbors और friends से बातें सुनती थी, and she had gathered few information. First information that ये जो बस है ये जो next town तक जाता है, the distance between their village and the town is 6 miles. Second information which she got, it was that means the fare of one way is 30 paisa. Second information she got, it took 45 minutes to travel the 6 miles distance from her village to the town. Then she got one more information that if she stayed sometime there within next 1 hour, she can come back to the home. So अब वल्ली के पास काफ़ी सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन था एंड ऑल्दो 30 पैसा बाकी लोगों के लिए बहुत कम था जिसने भी ये इन्फॉर्मेशन वल्ली के लिए वल्ली को पास ऑन किया था, बट फॉर वल्ली दिस 30 पैसा इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ small amount. For her it was just like a big fortune. So finally वल्ली ने कैसे कैसे करके वो पैसा भी अपने पास जमा कर लिया and now what she is planning, she is planning that how she will go by this bus. She what she will do, at 1 o'clock when bus is there, she will get inside the bus. So it will take 45 minutes. So by 1:45 she will be in the town. She will wait 15 minutes in the bus itself. Then what she will do, within the next 1 hour she will come back to her home. और शायद वल्ली के घर वालों को भी नहीं पता चलेगा because within 2 hours the girl will go to the town and come back. और मैं भी वल्ली बोली कि मैं शायद यही सामने में खेल रही थी, किसी ने मुझे देखा नहीं. So in this way वल्ली had made a very cunning plan. Now we will see that whether a wing is added to her cunning plan. On and on went her thought as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. So already she had calculated what she have to do. Already she had planned what to do. But whenever she is free, she used to think all those things and she used to make an accurate plan that how she can have a ride in the bus. Well, one fine spring day, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village or turning into main highway when a small voice was heard shouting, "Stop the bus, stop the bus," and a tiny hand was raised commandingly. फिर suddenly एक spring day था, the bus had moved out of the village, but suddenly a small voice came. A small hand was asking the bus to wait. Definitely, I hope you all understood that who is calling for the bus. The bus slowed down to crawl, and the conductor, sticking his head out the door, said, "Hurry then, tell whoever it is to come quickly." "It's me," shouted Valli. "I am one who has to get on." So कंडक्टर जब बस को रोकता है एंड ही वॉज अमेज्ड कि सिर्फ एक 8 साल की बच्ची अकेले वहाँ पे है, तो वो बोलता है कि जो भी तुम्हारे साथ है यू प्लीज आस्क देम टू बी क्विक एंड बोर्ड इन द बस. एट दैट टाइम वल्ली जो है बहुत प्राउडली बोलती है कि आई एम अलोन एंड आई विल बोर्ड द बस. By now the bus had come to a stop and conductor said, "Oh really? You don't say so?" "Yes, I am simply have to go to town," said Valli, still standing outside the bus. "And here's my money." She showed him some coins. "Okay, okay. But the first you must get on the bus," said the conductor. He stretched out a hand to help her. "Never mind," she said. "I can get on by myself. You don't have to help me." So finally Valli came near the bus and she is showing her coins to the conductor. So conductor said, "Okay, please you enter the house," and he helped her hand because she is a 8-year-old girl. But Valli is very smart. She is saying that she can board by herself. She does not need anyone's help. The conductor was a jolly sort. Jolly means very friendly है ना, जो और normally now and then jokes produce करते हैं. Fond of joking. "Oh please don't be angry with me, my fine madam," he said. "Here, have a seat right up there in front. Everybody move aside, please. Make way for the madam. So basically, you can see that the conductor is a person who had given the pet name madam to Valli because of her strange behavior, है ना. So finally जो कंडक्टर है वो बोलता है जो भी बाकी पैसेंजर्स थे कि आप लोग थोड़ा साइड दीजिए बिकॉज एक मैडम आ रही है उनको जगह देना है. एंड इन दिस वे फाइनली Valli she get inside the bus. It was slack time of the day. Slack time that means basically जिसमें रश बहुत कम रहता है. Normally if you will just travel in the afternoon time, you found that कि भीड़ बहुत कम है. Okay. It was slack time of the day and there were only 6 or 7 passengers on the bus. They were all looking at Valli and laughing with the conductor. Valli was overcome with the shyness. Avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to the empty seat and sat down. As a conductor, he was calling an 8-year-old girl with the word madam. So everyone was just laughing and Valli को थोड़ा shy feel होता है तो वो भी चुपचाप जाती है और एक खाली सीट पर बैठ जाती है. May we start now, madam? The conductor asked, smiling. Then he blew his whistle twice and the bus moved forward with a roar. So again, conductor she is cracking a joke by asking, madam, can we start? आप अच्छे से comfortable बैठ गए हो? And finally the bus had started its journey. It was a new bus. Its outside painted a gleaming white with some green strips along the sides. Inside, the overhead bars shone like silver. Directly in front of Valli, above the windshield, there was a beautiful clock. The seat was soft and luxurious. So, for you the bus is not a new thing, but as for this girl, our madam, है ना, bus is new thing. So narrator had described everything in the bus, है ना, how comfortable was the seat, about the clock, about the color, about the design, about the pattern of the bus. The bus was now going along the bank of canal. The road was very narrow. On one side there was canal and beyond it palm trees, grassland, distant mountains and the blue sky. And on other side was a deep ditch. Ditch मतलब बहुत खाई या फिर गड्ढा. Okay. And then acres and acres of green field. Green as far as I could see. So I could see, है ना. This eyes is of our madam's eyes. Okay. So what she is able to see, she is able to enjoy the beauty of nature. The blue sky and the green plants, green fields. So now Valli is enjoying the bus ride. She is enjoying the beauty of the nature by just overlooking the window. Suddenly she was startled by a voice. Listen, child, said the voice. You should not stand like that. Sit down. Sitting down, she looked to see who had spoken. It was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her, but she was annoyed by his attention. There is nobody here whose child, she said haughtily. I have paid my 30 पैसा like everyone else. So as हमने देखा कि वल्ली जो है वो खड़े होकर विंडो से बाहर का जो ब्यूटी है नेचर का वो एंजॉय कर रही थी, तभी पीछे से एक एल्डर पर्सन जो है, एक सीनियर सिटीजन जो है, वो बोलता है प्लीज चाइल्ड सिट, है ना. एंड दैट पर्सन वाज वेरी ऑनेस्ट. ही वांटेड दैट द चाइल्ड शुड बी सेफ, बट एज आवर वल्ली इज वन मैडम सॉर्ट ऑफ गर्ल, उसको बिल्कुल भी अच्छा ही लगता है. एंड शी सेज दैट आई एम नॉट अ चाइल्ड एज आई हैड पेड माय ओन 30 पैसा. So in this way you can see that how much Valli is excited for his journey by the bus. And the next part of this chapter that we will continue in our next class. Okay students, thank you.